Through her Twitter account, Speaker of Parliament Anita Among informed the country that His Excellency the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has assented to the anti-homosexuality bill. According to Hon Asuman Basalirwa, the Speaker has already received a document from both UK and US embassies about the revocation of her visas and warned fellow legislators that they may receive the same message because of the controversial bill.
Our colleagues in the Western world have indicated and actually actualized their threats. Visas have been cancelled. As I speak now, the Speaker's visas have been cancelled for America the other day, and this is also confirmed. This is an email from US Embassy. And dear Madam Speaker, the United States government has revoked your current visas on information that came available after your last issuance. As of May 12, 2023, you don't possess a valid travel visa to the US, though you are welcome to apply again. Please forward your passport to the embassy through Ministry of Finance so that we can make necessary modifications to your visas. I think they were looking for my visa for the US, they didn't find it. So the first victim is the Speaker. And I understand even the UK government is doing the same.
The legislator says it is true sanctions are going to start biting and will affect the budget of the country, and therefore proposes to government that he is ready to look for development partners from other worlds like the Arab world, to be specific.
Let us now consider looking for development partners. And I am ready to champion the cause of going to the Arab world to look for donor support. The Arab world, we will go to Saudi Arabia, we will go to Kuwait, we will go to Qatar, we will go to UAE, and this deficit which will be occasioned by these cuts can easily be replaced. So let's re-engage. If we've not been thinking about the Middle East, and particularly the Arab world, where they respect morals and values, let us go there.
Hon Basalirwa also cautioned Ugandans who have businesses in the Western world to consider shifting them back to Uganda, as well as those with money in international banks, because they may be affected with actions of the Western government.
I was speaking to my colleagues in Ghana. In Ghana, they've even gone ahead to threaten freezing accounts. Freezing accounts. And slapping bans on international banking institutions that partner with the US banks and other financial institutions. So if you have monies on your accounts and you have a salary, remove it. Remove it. Because you are likely to be a victim.
Uganda's parliament last month passed an amended version of the anti-LGBT law prescribing a life sentence, but also after the initial bill passed a month before was returned by the president, citing several amendments. President Museveni has so far signed 6 bills into law, among which is the Anti-Homosexuality Bill 2023, Museums and Monuments Bill 2022, the Public Health Amendment Bill 2022, the Markets Bill 2022, Microfinance Deposit-Taking Institutions Amendment Bill 2022, and the Law Reforms Miscellaneous Amendments Act 2023. Smart24 TV, Business Today.